Hello the internet, and welcome to another fast school holiday video workshop with the CNRL Library Innovation Studio and Library Children's Services. Today we're going to show you how to make some edible Christmas decorations. We're going to make these cute little snow people that are absolutely easy to make and totally delicious to eat. So for this workshop you're going to need marshmallows, raisins, pretzels, toothpicks or cocktail sticks. Now, if you're using toothpicks, watch out, they can be a little bit short, so you need to warn people that these are inside your snow people, whereas cocktail sticks are going to stick out nicely. Optionally, you'll also need a carrot and a knife. Now, if you don't want to be using a sharp knife, that's okay. You can use a piece of pretzel for the snowman's nose instead. Okay, let's assemble the snow person. First of all, get your marshmallow, make sure it's a white one, and have a round piece at the bottom, like that. And then your next marshmallow, turn it on its side so you've got the thin piece. There we go. And then the top marshmallow is going to be your snowman's face. Just like that. Now, if you do have pink marshmallows, eat them. Now, get another toothpick, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in the marshmallow and swirl it around just a little bit so we can pop a raisin in. And use the toothpick to push it in. Use the toothpick and your fingers to push it in. There we go, and now it won't fall out. I'm going to do two buttons in the middle section. Yeah, let's just push that one in there. Very nice. And the same for the eyes. Stick your stick in, give it a bit of a swirl, get a raisin, and push in the eye. You need to push it in quite a ways so it won't fall out. Swirl, swirl, swirl. There we go. And put another one in. Brilliant. That's already starting to look pretty good. Next up, get a pretzel. And we're going to break the pretzel up to make some interesting shapes. You get some long straight arms, you get some curved arms, they're all pretty good. That's a great one. So put your stick in the side and swirl, 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 and shove in the pretzel. And now a snow person has got an arm. Do the same on the other side. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Very cool. Now that little broken bit that I had earlier on, I'm going to swirl, swirl, swirl on the top of the snow person's head. We're going to give it some hair. Gives it a bit of a cute personality, I think. Now, next up we need to do the nose. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Now, as I said before, you can put in, say, a curved piece of pretzel. I think that still looks pretty awesome. But if you want to go for the authentic carrot look, get your carrot, get your knife, be very careful, and just cut a slither off the side. It's probably going to be too big. Trim it down into a point, being very careful, or you might want to get an adult to help you with this bit. Carrot's actually surprisingly sweet. This is still going to taste very nice. And there we go. Look at that, he's a cutie. He's a cutie. Now remember, if you have used toothpicks, there's a sharp little stick in here, so you've got to be careful when you eat them. It's a bit more obvious when you've got one of these cocktail skewers in, but it's still a sharp stick, so warn people before they eat them. You can always pull them apart before you pop them in your mouth too. I better make another one now for my that's it. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed making these cute little snow people, and we hope you enjoy eating them too. They're going to be delicious. Now keep watching to find out what you're going to need for the next Fast School Holiday video workshop, where we're going to show you how to make some awesome festive decorations for your home. See you next time. Today we're going to show you how to make festive elves, these little cute elves holding hands that you can decorate your house with. For this workshop you're going to need some paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, some colourful textures and some thread.